Have you ever been in that situation where you have struggled to remove background from your image or certain pictures? Because in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from images and pictures that you are wanting to work with. Hey guys, my name is Adedamola, and in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to remove background from images and pictures. Please ensure to stay with me till the very end of this video, because in this video as well, I'll be showing you how to place these images and pictures on a different background. Now we're going to be using the Canva platform to use this to create different designs. This is a bonus package I'll be sharing with you in this video. In this video, I'll be making use of my personal pictures, and at the same time, I'll be downloading some pictures that I would be using for this tutorial. So let's just get right into that. The first thing I'll be doing is to download some of the pictures I'll be using right here. If you already have your images downloaded, or if you already have the images or pictures you would like to use, you don't need to go through this process. I am doing this process for the purpose of those who might be wanting to make some downloads. This is a great platform to download pictures from whenever you're in need of any. Having downloaded your required pictures or haven't gotten the required pictures that you would be needing for your creation, kindly go on Google search tab and type remove BG. Click on the first that says remove background from image for free. This is exactly how we're going to be removing background from every of the images that we have downloaded. This is free and this is very easy to use, and this has little or no effect to your picture or your image, because your image still comes out the way it should be coming out, except in rare cases. To remove background, begin with, let's go back to every of the saved images and pictures, and then we will begin to remove the backgrounds one after the other. Now note that you will need to remove each of the backgrounds one after the other. Now in this video, I showed you how the original picture is, and now the picture after the backgrounds have been removed looks like. I'll be doing this for the rest of the other pictures that we downloaded. So let's just go on to pay rapt attention to how this is done, and then we can move on to having to design using these pictures and images on Canva. Let's begin to design on Canva. Now you may be asking, why didn't we use the Canva platform to remove the background in the first place? For Canva, you need to have subscribed to the paid version before you're able to use that to remove background, which is the major reason why we had to go through the route of remove BG. If you already have the paid version on Canva, then you wouldn't need to be going through the route of removing the background first before coming back to Canva to design. So we'll just get right into designing with the pictures that we have been able to remove backgrounds for. Yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell beside it so that you would always get notified every time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.